Hey, what's going on everybody? So I have a camera comparison for you today on my Canon M50 versus my Google Pixel 3. Now I'm going to shoot some video footage in the daytime as well as nighttime, and same with the photos. On the Google Pixel 3, I'll be using the backside camera. Everything is going to be set to auto, and on the Canon M50 here, I'll be using the stock lens here, the 15 by 45 millimeters, the lens that you get when you buy the Canon M50. I'm also going to be testing the onboard mic on both of these devices, so look for the speaker icon. So let's do this. All right, so let me get into the shade right here really fast. We can see the grass here in the shade, and then I'm going to go out into the sun right here, and we can see some stuff going on over there. Let me do this too. Let me go ahead and zoom all the way in to the max on both of these, okay? Let me start off with the Canon M50. I'm going to go ahead and zoom to the max, which is right there. And for the Google Pixel 3, okay, obviously the Pixel 3 goes in a lot further opposed to the Canon M50 stock lens. Let me go ahead and zoom back out here. Look in this little barn right here. We can take a look at this picnic bench here. Let me go ahead and flip this over as well. I got the sun directly pointing me right now, so you can see right behind me. Let me go ahead and walk around a little bit. Take a look at the video stabilization as well. And let me do this too. Let me go ahead and walk into the shade and walk out, and we'll see the how long it takes for the autofocus on each of these devices, okay? Okay, so here we go. Ready? I'm gonna go in the shade right now. Boom. Let me go back out. Back into the sun. Let me go back into the shade now. Bam. All right, let me go ahead and take some photos right now, and then we'll switch to the nighttime footage. Alright guys, so we're in a parking garage here. It's nighttime. You can see some of my friends. We're out here doing a little bit of skateboarding. And it's about 9:30 p.m. right now. And let's go ahead and walk out where there's like less light. I'm under some parking lot lights right here. You can see in the garage. Let's go ahead and go out here where there's like a little bit less light. And we'll take a look at the moon up here as well. Let me swing this over around. We're going to see the moon right there. Go over here, we'll look at this sign. Security cameras in use. Hopefully the cops don't come over here. Now let me go ahead and flip this over here. Let me go ahead and show my tired face here. Let me go ahead and kind of swing this around like this. Let's go ahead and walk a little bit, and it's like a little bit bright light, then dimmer light. And check out the autofocus, okay? So you can pretend I'm just like vlogging and I'm just talking here. That light just hit me in the face. I'm gonna walk a little bit more here as well. It's getting a little bit darker here. Now I'm not really sure what's going on with the Google phone because I'm using the backside camera, guys, so I can't really see myself. We'll turn this back over here like this. And let me go ahead and flip this over here. Back over here like this. Now let me go ahead and include some photos here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.